Hello, I'm Badani Arya. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about preparing a business plan. What are the things needed when preparing a business plan? Business plan is a very important document to run a business. You have to prepare a business plan when you are starting a business that will show your goals to achieve. Has to include the procedure for sales and expenses like a roadmap for you to follow. Things you need to take into account when preparing a business plan: marketing plan, premises, equipment, training, legal matters, insurance, finance, market research, customers, operational plan, management and organization, list of directors or partners, and financial plan. Accounting work starts with cash book and the procedure to use it. When you are running a small business, people sometimes use manual method. When you are using the manual method, you can use the Excel spreadsheets, and you will be entering the daily expenses, the income and the outgoing expenses, entering it and reconciling with the bank statements when you receive the bank statement at the end of the month. When you make the payments, it becomes a debit, and when you receive the money, it becomes a credit. Sometimes in business you have to use cash only. In that case, you are making payments and receiving cash that you have to enter it in a separate book. Is called petty cash book. So it is daily transactions you need to enter, and you can do the bank reconciliation by the end of the month when you receive it. That will be a better method, and that you will have more control over the finances. And these things have to be done on a regular basis because you have to have a cash flow, and to monitor the cash flow and the budget, both needed to be included in the business plan. You need the budget and the cash for the business plan, because for the lenders and the investors, and also the recognition of the company, you have to have all that. For your integrity, you have to have the budget, cash flow and everything. No one will be interested, not a single investor will not be interested because you don't have those documents, financial documents. To do all that, the cash book is the basic one. You start with the cash book, monitor the expenses, daily expenses, reconcile them, and then enter it into the cash flow and monitor the cash flow as well. Methods to preserve financial records. Firstly, separate your personal and financial records. You should never mix up. When you mix up, you will have a lot of time. You need a lot of time to separate those records, and especially take a lot of time for the tax inspection of tax filing. That is a waste of time and money. Transfer the surplus money to a particular account, savings account. You should be able to access it in an emergency easily. Maintain the files for all the invoices, purchase receipts, as you will need to buy things like equipment, computer. These are all will be mentioned in the business plan. And software, creating website expenses, hosting charges, and much more that supports your business, as you will have to account for all these when the time is up to tax filing. I'm selecting accounting methods for small businesses. As a new business, the choice of accounting method has to decide for you to maintain accounts without any hassle during tax filing. A complete, thoughtful business plan is one of the most valuable tools in helping you reach your long-term goals. It gives your business direction, defines your objectives, maps out strategies to achieve your goals, and helps you to manage possible bumps in the road. When you are running a business, you will foresee the problems. When you see the problems, you can refer to the how to fix it. You can go back and refer to the business plan document. It's a written guide. You have to keep it in your business all the time. You should be able to refer it anytime you need. A business plan is an essential strategic tool for entrepreneurs. A good business plan not only helps entrepreneurs to focus on the specific steps necessary for them to make business ideas succeed, but it is also help them to achieve both their short-term and the long-term objectives. So business plan is an essential document for the investors and the lenders as well. And when you're hiring the staff and all that, you have to do the contracts and make clear in the business plan. Because when you have problems there, you can refer back to the business plan to fix it. I hope you like this presentation. Thank you for listening to me. If you like it, I will be converting this into a video. If you like the video, please share it as well. Thank you.